Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hello everybody, my name is Draego and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I am going to be showing you the easiest way to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 10. So yes, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need an at least 8 GB pen drive, and after that connect it to your PC and open the browser in your PC and type Windows 10, and after that click the first link and download media creation tool from Microsoft. And after that open the media creation tool and follow the process as shown in the video. Here select what is your PC based on, is it 64-bit or 32-bit. If you don't know, then select both. After that select your pen drive and then wait till the download is finished. And after that click finish and your USB bootable pen drive is ready. Hey guys, so I have a question, and if you guys can help me out in the comment section, that would be really great. So whenever I try to reinstall Windows 10 in my computer, I have to remake the Windows 10 bootable pen drive by this method. So, and if I try to reinstall Windows with my old bootable pen drive, then it shows that some Windows file are missing. So what is the reason behind this? And if you guys have any idea, then comment down below. That would be really great, because I am tired of making bootable pen drive whenever my computer has any issue, so I have to reinstall Windows. So yes, if you guys can help me out, that would be really great. And also check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego. I post gaming videos over there, and right now there is an amazing series going on, which is Pokemon Arc. I am really enjoying that series, so I hope that you are also going to enjoy it. So yes, go and check it out, and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push my